Today is your opportunity to own this beautiful 27-foot Sailfish that I customized for a customer that's looking to move on and get into a bigger boat. This boat's been completely customized outside of the standard typical rigging that you're gonna see at a Sailfish dealer. This boat has a foldable hardtop T-top setup. It's got a custom float-on trailer. It's got Garmin electronics. And the biggest thing about this package is it's got the 200 Yamahas. A lot of these boats come pre-rigged from the factory dealers with the F-150s. This customer paid upgrade after upgrade after upgrade. This is a perfect opportunity for someone to get into this boat for a fraction of the price of having to pay me or a dealer to do all this work. Now let's get up inside and take a look at some of these custom